One day, in the middle of the forest, lived a bluebird named Skipper. He was waking up from his nest on a tree, and he flew over into the river, where he met up with his friends Paul the purple bird, Mike the yellow bird, and Philip the red bird. They were all drinking water from the river, and they loved it very much. Meanwhile, in a dark part of the forest, an old tree lived a blackbird named Redwinged, who had an idea of birdnapping Skipper and his friends.
I want to do something evil to Skipper and his goody-good friends. But what can I do? Oh, I know. I will swing by Skipper's tree and birdnap Skipper and his friends. Ha 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 ha. I will get a sack to capture the little birdies. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no, I'm not in the forest anymore.
This place looks strange.
I agree. This doesn't look like the forest at all.
And there's lots of buildings.
Skipper and Paul tried to ask help the Statue of Liberty, but the people were too busy looking at the sights. Then Mike and Philip tried asking for help at the Manhattan Bridge, but people were busy looking at the Manhattan Bridge.
Hello, my name is Skipper. What's your name?
My name is Sally. What are you and your friends doing here in New York City?
We're trying to get back home in the forest. Can you help us?
Yes, I can help you get back home.
First they tried walking home, next they tried asking a truck home, but it stopped at a man's house who drove that truck.
Oh, hello, little breeze. Where did you come from?
Excuse me, sir. We're trying to get back home in the forest. Do you think you can help us?
Sorry, little guy, but I have to make a toy deliver to all the children. Good luck trying to get home. I will leave the door open so you can get out.
All of a sudden, it began to rain. All the birds were getting wet, and they rushed to find shelter.
Go away! Get out of here! It's hopeless. We'll never get home.
We tried everything, but nothing works.
I'm soaking wet.
We're doomed!
Guys, we can't give up just yet. There's still hope. We can find a way to get back home.
Alright, crows, go get those birds.
Skipper, help me!
Don't worry, Philip. I'll save you. Why do you keep trying to hurt us, Redwing?
Well, you guys keep hurting me, and everyone has always made my life terrible. I'm just fed up.
Well, what did we do exactly?
You guys pushed rocks on me and slammed into my tree and messed up my house chasing those darn butterflies.
We didn't mean to make your life terrible. Those were just accidents.
What? Accidents?
Yes, Redwing. So do you accept my apology?
I guess I do.
Skipper helped Redwing get off the bridge, and they both caught up with the rest of the birds. Finally, Skipper and his friends were back home safe and sound in the forest, and all the birds were very happy to be back home in the forest.